Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss about online data rooms for due diligence in the age of AI and blockchain. So let's start. How AI can improve VDRs for due diligence. Document indexing and search. AI can be used to automatically index and tag documents in a VDR, making it easier for users to find the information they need. Automated due diligence tasks. AI can be used to automate many of the tasks involved in a due diligence, such as reviewing contracts, identifying risks, and detecting fraud. Personalized insights. AI be used to generate personalized insights for users based on their individual needs and interests. Challenges to adopting AI and blockchain in the VDR. While AI and blockchain have the potential to revolutionize the due diligence process, there are a number of challenges that need to be addressed before these technologies can be widely adopted in VDRs. One challenge is the cost of developing and implementing AI and blockchain solutions. Another challenge is the need to integrate these solutions with existing VDR platforms. How blockchain can improve VDRs for due diligence. Enhance security. Blockchain can be used to enhance the security of VDRs by providing a tamper-proof record of all activity. Improved transparency. Blockchain can be used to improve the transparency of the due diligence process by allowing all parties to see who has accessed what documents and when. Reduced costs. Blockchain can be used to reduce the costs of due diligence by eliminating the need for third-party intermediaries. Conclusion. AI and blockchain have the potential to revolutionize the due diligence process by making it more secure, efficient, and transparent. VDRs are well positioned to play a role in this transformation. That's all. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you have understand this topic. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.